magical house will be full of surprises and wonders. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Let's add a cute little door. Our house needs some windows. Let's make a rainbow roof of our beautiful house. Our roof is almost complete. Let's give a big cheer for our magical house. Our cute little house looks so adorable. Let's add a cute little chimney. Adding some cute bushes. Now it's time to paint. Light blue. Yes, you got this. Our colorful magical house looks so beautiful. Bright red. Orange. Pink. Bright red. Dark blue. Light green. Purple. Orange. Yellow. Brown. Dark green. It's almost ready. Glitter time. Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.